Hi, I am your travel buddy and I will help you to create your travel request. International trip to Rome to take a workshop. First, you need to click in Request, then in Create New Request, and you need to fill the information in the heading page of the travel request. In the first field, you need to insert International. In the trip title, we are going to use the format where, when, and what. In this case, it's going to be Rome from the 5th to the 10th of September, and it's going to be a workshop. Starting date, the 5th of September, and date, the 10th of September. Trip purpose, Alliance Workshop. And then we need to insert the budget code. If you are a SIAT staff, you need to validate that the filter is in either, and in the first field, you need to insert the word SIAT. In the second field, the word all. And in the third field, you need to insert the budget code. Now, in the travel office, you need to insert the travel office that will be issuing your air ticket, and in cash advance office, you need to insert the entity that will issue your cash advance. And then you click in Create Request. Now for the trip, we need to insert the expense types that we are going to be using. In this case, the air ticket, the hotel, and the meals and incidentals. So we go and click in Add. We pick the option of Fare International. In Origin, we are going to insert Colombia, Destination Italy. We are going to use a symbolic amount, let's say 10,000 Colombian pesos for their ticket. And in the description, we need to indicate the booking number and the route of the trip. Then we click in Save. Later, we need to click in Add. And we are going to be adding meals and incidentals expense type. Destination is going to be Italy. In the destination city, Rome. And in this field, it's super important to know that this is a formula that will help the system to calculate the number of days per the allow rates for the alliance for the meals and incidentals. So the formula is asterisk US dollars Alabama. That doesn't mean that we are going to be going to the US. It's just the formula to calculate the amount that we are going to be using for the trip. And then we click in Save. So here you will see the total amount estimated for meals and incidentals for the trip. Then we click in Add, and we choose the expense type, Hotel. We pick the destination, Italy. Destination city, Rome. And we repeat the process of asterisk US dollars Alabama. It doesn't matter if it's a local trip or an international trip. This formula will help us to multiply number of days per the allow rates for the organization. And we click in Save. Like that, we have the estimate of the expenses for the trip. So now, if you want to include a cash advance, it's important to add it from the Request Details button. So you click in Request Details and you click in Add Cash Advance. You insert the amount that you need for the cash advance. In this case, we are going to be using $100, for example, and you change the currency. Then you click in Save. And to finalize the travel request, we click in Submit Request. We click that we accept and continue, that we have read the travel policy and the related policies of the organization for corporate travel. And this is how the submitted travel request looks like, ready to be approved in the workflow. Have a safe trip.